Hi, I'm Jennifer Thorne.
And I'm Erin. We're super excited to tell you about our new Jerry's homes here on Timber View Drive in Grimes. We're in Kennybrook South, and we're just straight south of Highway 44, tucked back in here on a nice quiet street. We're just a couple blocks from the Grimes Elementary. That has the Grimes complex with the tennis courts and baseball fields and all the good stuff.
All of our homes here at Kennybrook South offer a 3-car garage. So actually we do have one with a 2-car garage as well. They do have covered decks off the back. They all have awesome backyards. We just sodded the lots, so they look super green and beautiful now. The homes start at $283,900. Our highest price one is only $299,900, so everything is under $300,000. It's a beautiful location. You've got to check us out. Jerry's Homes has been building since 1957, so tons of construction experience behind us. We're awesome to work with. We want to help this make this process nice and easy for you to get into your new home.